Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. Gemini, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies first. This is for your relationship, Gemini, and this card is for your career situation. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general reading. So let's start with these cards here. Gemini, we have Moon, Anchor, and Garden. So with these cards, Gemini, you are having a lot of dreams and fantasies for your career or your personal life, your relationship. So you are dreaming about this person, dreaming about your future with this person, or you are making big plans for your work, guys. So whatever goals you need to reach or whatever aspirations you have, you are thinking about all that. And I also see that you are not just stopping with your dreams today. You are making those dreams come true for you. You are working hard. And today, maybe some dreams have come true and you are celebrating that success today, guys. So, you are successful in something, maybe in your work situation, some projects, or you have landed some lucrative deals. Something positive has happened in your life today and you are celebrating it, and you are a very dedicated person working hard, and you are someone who is ready for action anytime, guys, in your life. So it may be your attitude in your work or in your relationship. You are there for this person, really responsible. And Gemini, I also see that you are spending time with your friends, family, or with this person you love. You are going to a party or you want to go to a party with this person. So, you want to celebrate with this person you love or with your friends or family. So, some kind of success you have achieved today, something making you really happy today, guys, Gemini. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship first. We have Lady. So this card, it just means that you are interested to take this relationship to the next level. The same way this person is also interested in you, and they are also interested in engagement or marriage with you, guys. So this person is interested in a deeper commitment with you, guys, Gemini. And maybe if you are having some doubts whether this person will accept your proposal, you need not worry. They will accept your proposal, guys, because they are also thinking of that. They want commitment with you and they are in love with you, and they see this as a beautiful connection, and they enjoy your company, and you both have mutual love, respect, and caring, guys. So this relationship is going to work for you, guys, Gemini. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. We have Letter. So some important news is reaching you today, Gemini. Maybe regarding some projects or some collaborations, whatever it is. It may be a written agreement. Something which you are expecting is reaching you, guys. Something which you can be really happy about, guys. And that is the reason we see celebration, happiness, and success with these cards, Gemini. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Gemini. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation and close your eyes. Meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with this card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start with this card here. I will keep this card aside. So let's see what is your first card for those who chose this card. Such a beautiful card here, guys. 1. So this card just means that each and every one of us, we are all part of that divine spark, guys. So just like a gold chain or an ornament is made out of gold, molten gold. So that molten gold is the origin, and that in the situation that we may compare that to universe or God or higher power, and the ornaments are us. So it is the same thing. So what comes out of it, it's the same as what is there in the beginning. So all of us have that divine spark in us, and we need not fear whatever is happening in our situation. We need not worry, because we have that divine energy in each and every one of us. So whatever is manifesting in our life is our own doing, guys, and we need not have any fear or worry or apprehension because of that. So we need to understand that. And the appearance of this card in a reading, guys, it just means that you are in some kind of confusion, something is worrying you today, and something is really weighing heavy on your heart, and you are in some confused state. You don't know which path to take up, whether to go for this path or that. But you need to understand that whatever is the right thing or whatever will be the right choice will come to you on its own, guys. You need not worry, and it will find you drawn to it. That choice will will attract you, and you need not worry or have any feelings of fear today, guys. No need to get confused, and this choice will come to you, so you need not worry about it. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So all that is supposed to happen will happen at the right time, guys, and nothing bad will ever happen to us, because we are all part of that whole, whatever you call it, God, universe, or that higher power. So nothing will ever go wrong for us. Everything will be perfectly alright in our life. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. That is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, the second card, let's see what it is. It is time to go. So this card may on the outright you may think that this card stands for a breakup or some kind of separation, but in truth, guys, it is just that emotional detachment. That is what is happening today, guys. That release you feel emotionally to something, some situation or a person. So you are in a situation right now, you are unable to do anything for this person or for that situation, and you have taken stock of whatever you have learned, and there is nothing new you can add to that circumstance, and your suggestions or ideas or your presence is no longer needed. So you need to understand that your journey or your part you need to play in this circumstance has come to an end. So that does not mean that it is this relationship is moving towards a breakup. You need to give up your attachment you have on this person, guys. Go for that emotional release. So, if you love something or someone, you just need to let them go, guys. And if that person comes back, it just means that they love you and this connection is meant to be. But if they do not come back, it just means that this relationship was never meant to be. So, if you want something deeper, if you want a more deeper, emotional, perfect, compatible relationship, and you want that clear understanding, you need to walk away, take a step back. So, that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. That is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.